Let's go. Here we go again. Facing this side for a second time in a row. 50 subs. But we know you're beatboxing like your sisters are such snobs. So you know Lord. Oh, after your rain's gone, I'm about to make it shine. I'll make it shine. Cause you know I'm about to delete you for good. Cause you know you're never gonna beat me, bro. Near 60 subscribers, but I don't care. Your OC reminds me of a rip-off real one. Records after this Beatbox bang. Pull your plan of the beat that bangers. You know after that you not be seen red. Cause you know you're out of style. Doesn't that make you a pedophile? You look like more of disrespecting opponents. Like you forced him talking Tom to a mimic Boogie Boy, and the way he screams, you know you're too deniable. You're always acting a fool. You're always acting a fool. No one cares about your YBB at all. Even your sister, Beatbox is better than you realize. The truth is that you know, let's go for the ride. Which I'll swim you out to the dark side. I'll send you to the underworld, yeah, where you will never escape my eternal torment. My eternal torment. Listen, I don't wanna go on how bad you are. You know you're a fake. Wanna be beatboxer, which will never deny my odds. You know, right, Lord, you messing with the God. You know this time I will destroy you for good because you're mocking opponents, especially how bad you're dissing people right now. How bad you're dissing people right now. You cannot deny the will of the demonic God. I fought everyone in the community, bro. You know I'm in hate. Why be? You're not even in, because it's time you die. You know it's time that you die.